Hello Moneymakers. There is a cash cow niche on YouTube that can be made by anyone and can potentially earn $1 million with their channel. This is not a BS. Let me show an example channel. This channel name is Mr. Luxury. They create luxury videos like top richest man, cars owned by famous celebrities, or top watches in the world, etc. They have over 600,000 subscribers, and they must be making up to $50,000 every month from YouTube revenue, affiliate marketing, and brand sponsorships as well. This niche has the highest CPM, as advertisers spend a good money to sell luxury items on such videos. Moreover, you can also sell products from ClickBank and Digistore24 to add affiliate marketing to your revenue streams. Next one, we have this channel called Alex. They have over 4 million subscribers, and they are making up to $80,000 every month from their courses, YouTube revenue, and brand sponsorships. So the question is where to find these topics, how to write scripts, how to find copyright-free luxury stock footage. If you watch this video till the end, all of your doubts will be cleared, as I will literally create the whole video in front of you. Rest assured, I will share each and every information that I know in this video to you for free. So take a glass of cranberry juice and watch this video till the end. Let's begin with the first step. Step 1. Topic research. In luxury niche, you will never run out of topics, as this is a wide niche and there are lots and lots of content ideas left to cover. You can pick any celebrity and create a video on the luxury items owned by them. You can do it country-wise as well, for example, richest people in the USA, etc. There will be new millionaires and billionaires coming up every year, and you can cover those topics as well. You just need to know which celebrity is currently trending on the internet, and look for the celebrity who is searched the most on Google. And to find this, all you need to do is open incognito mode on your browser. Then open YouTube. Then search for something like the most expensive things owned. So as we can see, YouTube automatically suggests some topics that are currently being searched by other people. Then if I will type any letter such as E, so it will suggest some topic on Elon Musk automatically. So this way you can find the topic of any celebrity or billionaire. Now, let's type most luxurious and see what search topic YouTube will suggest to us. So this way, you can cover these topics on your YouTube channel, such most luxurious cars, houses, or many more. Alternatively, you should follow all of your competitors' channel and see what topics they've covered and what is working for them. And make a list of their popular videos, and then remake those videos with some additional information and make it more attractive. Also, use vidIQ to know whether that topic is being searched by other people or not, and also check its competition too. This way, invest some time in the topic research and choose your topic to create a video. Once you find the topic, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Writing scripts. Alright, just to show the process, I will choose this topic for my video. Top 10 richest people in the world. Now all you have to do is open Google and enter your topic. As we can see here, we will get so many articles related to this. Now open these articles in another tab. Then copy the information from 2 to 3 article and paste in Google Docs. After that, open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, I would like to create a detailed video on top 10 richest people in the world. So could you please provide me with a detailed YouTube video script based on these articles' information? And then paste the information from Google Docs. You can also add more details in your prompt as per your requirement. Alright, so here ChatGPT provides a complete script, but I want to add hooks in the intro. So all I will do is I will ask ChatGPT add hook in the intro like these type of line. Today we will be looking at all those people soaking in the sun on a yacht cruising the high seas who just work so hard. Now let's see what ChatGPT writes. Today we'll be looking at those people soaking in the sun on a yacht cruising the high sea who just work so hard. From tech moguls to luxury tycoons, these individuals have amassed fortunes that most of us can only dream of. Perfect, that's great. Now still, if you are not satisfied, you can make changes as per your requirement. And as I say in my all video, do not use ChatGPT script as it is. Adding personal touch is very necessary to create a perfect script. And it will also help in monetization, and will increase the chances to go viral as well.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
So now we have the script ready. Let's move ahead to the next step. Step 3. Voiceover. If you are starting out with low budget, I would prefer using your own for the voiceover. Otherwise, you can take help of AI as well. And remember, you cannot monetize your channel with free AI voices. You have to use that type of voice which sounds like human, just like mine. And for this, I will suggest 11 Labs, because in this tool you will get various voices for different use. Make sure to get a paid plan if you want your channel to be monetized in the future. You can check the link in the description too. Open 11 Labs, then choose Informative and Educational. Choose age, gender, and accent. Then try different voices and choose one which suits perfectly in your video. Select one which you can use in long term. That way, people will recognize your voice, and it will be in building your brand too. Alright, once you have selected the voice, then go back to the ChatGPT, then copy the script and paste it here. Hit generate and download the voiceover. Now we have a voiceover. Let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Collecting images and videos. Alright, now all you have to do is open ChatGPT and look for the people in your topic, or what type of images you want for the first scene as per your script. So, as per my script, first I need images of Elon Musk. So let open Google and search for the Elon Musk images. Now download 4 to 5 images related to that person. Also download images of the luxury things that they own, such as cars, bikes, or watch, etc. Now you must be wondering, how can we get the video stock footage? I will take a video from Pinterest. Mostly here you will find many videos related to a famous person, or you can take from any other platform, but make sure there are no watermarks in it. But remember that according to copyright policy, you can take footage up to 4 seconds only. Or if you can use more than that, you might get a copyright strike. So it's better to play safe. Just take key moments of 4 seconds from a particular video and add it in your video. And as we can see, mostly the videos from Pinterest is in mobile video format. But don't worry, I will teach you how you can adjust this video in YouTube video format. Alright, this way, collect all the images and videos of all the people or things. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 5, editing. To edit the video, I will use Canva. Open canva.com. Choose the video icon from the dashboard, then upload all the images, video, and voiceover. After that, drag the voiceover into the timeline. After that, search for the related footages in the element for the intro part. For example, as per my topic, I will add some luxury footage into the intro part. Try to add more footage so it will look amazing. Now I will show you how you can add mobile format video into horizontal format. First, select the video and set the video as a background, then choose 4 seconds part from that clip. After that, set the same clip in the same page like this, and decrease the transparency of that video which you set as a background. And then set the video like this, so it will look nice. And make sure to remove the original voice from both the clips for copyright reasons. Then I will go to the design and search for the photo collage template to add the richest people's video or photo. If you have video, you can add video, or you can use photo as well. Now one by one add all the images and videos as per your voiceover. Use text, graphic, and template to make your video stunning. And if the quality of some of the images are not good, you can also enhance this on Canva. Just click on the image, click the edit icon. Choose Image Upscaler. Choose the amount and upscale the image. This will enhances your editing quality so people will engage more in your video. At last, add background music. This make your video stunning. You can take music from Canva Audio Library, but for this you have to connect your channel with Canva. Then download this video from Canva. Now to give a final touch, open CapCut and upload the video. Then click right and choose split screen option, so it will automatically split all the scenes from your video. Then click on transition and add transition between each images and video, such as light effects transition, split transition, or many more. Then click on effects and add spark effect in some of the footages like this. Then try different effects and add it in your video. Or you can also add filters from here. Then you can also add auto caption in your video if you want. And that's it, your video is ready to be uploaded. This way you will be creating videos in the luxury niche.
I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video.
I hope you got a good value of your time on this channel. Don't forget to check out other interesting videos on my channel. Now let's have a look to our demo video.
Today, we'll be looking at those people soaking in the sun on a yacht, cruising the high seas, who just worked so hard. From tech moguls to luxury tycoons, these individuals have amassed fortunes that most of us can only dream of. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 richest people in the world in 2024. Stay tuned to discover how they built their empires, their net worth, and some fascinating facts about their lives. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1 is none other than Elon Musk, the mastermind behind Tesla and SpaceX. At 53 years old, residing in Boca Chica, Texas, Musk has revolutionized the electric car industry and space exploration. His 23% stake in Tesla is a major contributor to his wealth, which peaked at $320 billion in 2021. In October 2022, he made headlines by acquiring Twitter for $44 billion.